Hey, it's Amazing Dave here, and I want to talk to you about squealing in the shower. Yep, I'm standing in a shower. But no, I want to talk to you about that because from the time we moved into our new house, we had problems with our shower squealing. It would not always squeal, but frequently it would, especially when the water was warming up. So, we put up with that for a while, and then it was just driving me crazy. So I went to the hardware store. Actually, I tore it all apart and got sizes of the O-rings and things in it, thinking, hey, they're probably hardened up. They need to be replaced or whatever. So I replaced all the ones that I could find, put it back together. It seemed like it was okay or better for maybe a few days, and then it went back to squealing. And so we put up with that for a while. Part of the problem is that the faucet system that we have is not a brand name. It's some generic name. I haven't been able to track it down or to anything or try to trace any parts. Couldn't get parts for it or anything. And it's a lot of work to plumb in a new valve system. So, after about 3 years or so, well, probably more than that actually, I finally was playing with it one day and figured out that it wasn't the faucet itself at all. So I'm going to turn this around and kind of show you a little bit about what's going on. Okay, hang on. Okay, so here's the faucet that we have, system that we have. It's pretty standard, a single lever with a spout, okay? And we found, although the squealing seemed to come from the faucet itself, as you moved it different temperatures and things, it would change. It actually was not in the end coming from the faucet. We discovered that actually the problem was the spout itself. And I think maybe I found something on the internet or in some blog that kind of suggested something about it. But this particular faucet that we have right now is actually the new one. The spout is the new one. And it has the stopper thing, the little valve on the end of it that you pull out in order to make the shower work. But the original one we had the stopper on the top. The little valve thing was on the top. And most of the ones that you see are on the top, okay? But the ones that are on the top are not dripless. They will drip some. And they're even dripping while you're taking a shower. This particular kind that I got, which was from Home Depot. No, I'm not getting any money from them. And it's a little more expensive, but it's called a dripless. So I thought I would try it because it has a superior valve on it for the shower. And as soon as I replaced that, the squealing went completely away. Completely gone, never come back. And the one thing that I discovered about the old one was, and one of the cues that perhaps it was the spout itself, was that one day I was playing with that top valve and messing around with it, and I noticed that the squealing would change pitch, and if I moved it just right, I could actually make the squealing stop for a short time. So again, I changed the spigot on the thing and to a different type. It's not just about replacing it, because if I went and got another one that was the same style, it's not a matter that it was worn out. It was because, as I said, this has been doing it. It was doing it since the house was new, since the faucets were new. So it's about the style of it, and the valve. The valve needs to be a better valve, and then it won't squeal anymore. So anyway, if you're having problems with your bathroom shower squealing when you're trying to take a shower and messing up the pitch of those songs that you're trying to sing in the shower, well, then change your spout and try that. All right? Okay. So, this is Amazing Dave signing off. You have a good day.